So here we are heading south on Livingston from Immokalee Road. Excuse the dirty windows. It's been hard to find a car wash, but we're hoping to today. As you can see, as compared to the other night when we did some filming out here after the storm, the majority of the storm was gone. Most of the trees have been cleaned up. Most of the communities look to be in fairly good shape. Crews have been working really hard. And much of Naples is going back to life as we know it. Water sources are all going down. Somebody lost a pool noodle. And a lot of the vegetation did pretty well through the storm. The palms tend to. Some of the newer trees that have been put in, not so good, but they weren't rooted yet. So here's Sierra Reserve. Phew, I can almost speak today. Soon we'll be coming up on Vanderbilt. Here we are approaching Vanderbilt. Pause you for the red light. And here we go again. As you can see, Vanderbilt Beach has all gotten cleaned up. Things are looking pretty good. We've been up and down this road a few times now, and this is what most all of Livingston looks like at this point in time. So once we get down towards Radio, I'll pick you guys back up again.